to another session here at Investopia Worldwide. Super excited to be with you again. What is happening with the crypto space? We've got some amazing signals that took place as well in our Telegram. Make sure if you are interested in being part of our educational ideas signals in our community, make sure you look at the description below, email us, and I'll show you how you can get into the Telegram here with Investopia Worldwide Wealth Building Telegram. Excited about the signals that are being posted. And we're going to be showing you our Telegram so you can see exactly all the success that's happening, all the news that's happening as well. And also, those who want to trade with me, that's right, you want to trade with me with the broker I trade referral link is in the description below. It's going to be some crypto being passed out as well, and some bonuses that you can get when you start trading with me. There's a big contest coming up as well. Super excited about that. We're just starting. This YouTube channel is just starting. I need your support. I need you to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when we go live that you'll get your notification. You can come on and see all of the updates, what we're talking about. We're going to be having guests as well that are going to be coming in. Very successful people that'll be coming in, sitting down, talking to us about what's happening in the world of crypto, foreign exchange market, TA's technical analysis, and the whole thing here with Baby Boomer Trader. That's me here, 8 years experience in this market. Layman talk to me like a kindergarten. That's right. We even got some strategies, man, that a kindergartner could use to go into the market, get in out the market, get out of the market. So super excited about everything that's going to be coming to this YouTube page. So we need your help. We need you to share it. We need you to let people know who that you may know that are in this space of trading, investing in crypto. Past profits does not depict or deflect what future profits may be like. Disclaimer is we're not any financial advisor, right? So make sure you get with your financial advisor before you decide to go into these markets because trading is risky. That's right. So, but if you have the education, if you stick with it, if you have a community of people that you're willing to help and support you and goals, you have a goal that you want to hit, then you can be one of those small percentiles that stick with it to learn it because you're serious and not curious, and you'll be successful. I'm very excited to see people in our community that have went through the educational process with our academy and then stayed with it with our community, and they went from zero. We're going to just be transparent on this call. How many of you guys ever blown an account before? We went from zero to a blown account, put some more money in there, blown account. And it's probably because of the way we do things. See, there's a saying that I tell some of our traders, how you do anything is how you do everything. And it's built around discipline. It's built around, developing a skill, but it's also built around how you live your life. And so all of this has to be come together, grow and develop till you find out what type of trader that you're going to be. And you can do that right here with us here at Investopia Worldwide here in our community as well. So let's get to some news. We're going to get to some news. We're going to get to some forex news, and we're also going to see like what happened in the crypto space. So let's go ahead and share our screen so you can see it. Let's go to our news right now. Bitcoin drops below 42K, liquidates the majority of long positions across the exchanges. How did that happen? How did that happen? The flagship crypto experienced 20.52 million in liquidations over the past 24 hours, roughly 85% of which were longs. People were buying positions, were equated to equated to 17.48 million. And hopefully you did not get caught in that. I know our team didn't get caught in that because we were one of the ones that were liquidating others. We were the ones that were selling because we understood that they were hyping up this ETF approval date, approval. They were hyping it up, and a lot of people were buying the hype. A lot of people were buying, the actual positive, uh, uh, like predictions of what was going to happen. So they were buying. But there's an old saying that I've learned a while back: is you buy low and you sell high. You buy low and you sell high. So what they did was they had people buying the expectation, but they sold off the news. Soon as the news came, a little pop up, a little pump, and down she went. So now what's going to happen to Bitcoin now? Let's go ahead and see what's going on. Now, earlier we talked about, on our other session, we talked about how Bitcoin was in this channel. We were in this channel, and it was rising. It was rising all, since, let's go to the daily. It had been rising from this major pump back in October when they really started talking about the ETFs. Okay, and once it broke this major resistance area, then it started to climb, and it went into an ascending channel. Now, as you can see with this ascending channel, all ascending channel is when price, uh, the price creates lows, highs and lows, but it's creeping in a channel and creates a channel in these highs and lows. And what goes up, it's got to come down. What goes up has to come down. And what happened was we got at the top. Let me get rid of this. We got at the top, and boom, let's go. And this is where the news came out. Finally, the news came out. We got this little pump right here, the expectation of the news coming out. And it started about, that was Monday, and it pumped, and then it consolidated and created a new high. And once the news got out that ETS was approved, all those who were buying in this area with the expectation got liquidated. Now, if you knew that was going to happen like we did, we were out. We were looking for sales. That's right. So I have a strategy that anybody can get. Email me, description below, and it can help you give confirmation to when the market is potentially about to reverse. There are a few things that help the market, reverse. It gets to an area of resistance that could reverse. Fundamentals can can cause it at the time that it may be at a area of resistance as well. And you can get some good sales. And so when you look back, one of the things that we do is that we look back, we look left. And as we look left, if I go to maybe the monthly, or let's go to the weekly, if I go to the weekly, you can see that price was in times past, price was in this area before. Way back in April, price had came to this area of resistance. And what happened? Boom. And so you can position yourself when to sell. You can position yourself when to buy by looking back in times past to see where we had some strong support or resistance areas that can possibly give you an entry. So along with the news, ETFs, and look at this big, 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 big drop after that. So a lot of people who had buy positions got liquidated, but we were looking for a sale. Our team, we caught the sale. If you want to get these signals, educational IDs, deals to get set up, you want to be in our Telegram, our wealth building Telegram, and the description is in below where you can email me and let me know, and I'll tell you how you can get into our Telegram, where you see a lot of people are getting great results. Our signals are in there. More educational information is in there when it comes to crypto and the foreign exchange market. So, what are we doing here? Price broke out of that channel, as you can see. So price can do just a few things. Okay, right now we're looking for price to maybe continue to come down. We're getting some indications that the price will probably bounce off this channel. Hopefully it stays below and it gives you another sell opportunity. Okay, as long as price stays below this channel and it comes up and maybe gives you a nice little retest below this zone, okay, you can get you a short and you can sell this probably all the way back down to 38 or 37. I love trading zones. 8 years ago, and I have an amazing mentor come out of Wall Street. Man, I just love trading zones. I love trading market structure. I'm a layman's guy again. Cat's a cat, dog's a dog. So even though I do know the technical terms, corrections, and Fibonacci, lows, highs, higher lows, all of that, I just love like the word flag. A flag is a correction. I couldn't see what a correction was, but I do know what a flag looks like. So I love to talk just like a regular person, brand new, show you how you can get into the market and profit in the market. So this is a potential short that could happen. If price comes back up, I'm on the daily. I would look for the 4-hour, 30-minute entry. As long as price comes up, which it does, looks like it, our hull is below the price. So if price continues to push up into this zone, I would want to see price come up past this zone and then come back down and retest below this zone before I get an entry. Okay, so that's what we see happening with Bitcoin. And Bitcoin ultimately, if we are in that season right now, could funnel its way back all the way down to 37, 30, even as low as 30, 30, 31, 38. And this is where you want to, right now I would be dollar cost averaging on the exchanges. If this is, if you have an exchange where you can actually buy crypto on, I have, whether you are in United States or not, I am going to be promoting 2 more crypto exchanges that will be put on our page. So be looking out for that as well. Okay, but Bitcoin will be at a discount. If it does come all the way back down from you guys are holding your shorts, I would hold my shorts all the way. Hold your shorts. Hold your shorts. Keep your shorts up. Uh, I would probably trade, take my shorts from, you know, I would set it up to come all the way down to the 30. I would have no more than a probably 3 to 500 pip stop loss. I love trading 3 to 1 risk ratio. This is more than that, um, because they could come down here. All right. But I would definitely have some take profit areas, at some of our major support areas. Uh, and as it trickles down, watch it on the maybe 4 and 1 hour time frame. And I would say every 1,000 pips, take some partials, move up your stop loss. Okay, but if you want those signals, you want to be in our Telegram. So this is what I see for Bitcoin. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum, yes, Ethereum. All right, Ethereum. We took a buy. We took a buy with Ethereum. We talked about that. Let me get rid of some of the noise. I know I got a lot of lines on here, and some people can't, see the market with all of the different lines, supports and resistance. But we did take a buy, and we did get about, let's see, we got about, nice, we got about 323 pips on that. We did move up our stop loss. We did take some profits in the legacy group. And now we see uh, our our price coming back down below. So I would want to watch this as well. That if we do on the 4 hour, we've got maybe 46 minutes left. That if this candle closes below the zone, we may can see price come back down. We are in the supply area a little bit, not much, but as you can see, this has been a descending channel. And in a descending channel, we do look for the market to pop up, but we don't have that much volume coming in to the market right now. And that's another sign of the market possibly wants to pop up. Okay. So let's watch this right now. We're not in this trade anymore. Like I said, we did get some profits in there. We did buy on the lower time frame. As you can see, we bought in this area, and we got about 300 pips before it turned around. And let's look at it on a different page as well. There we go. Now you can see with this particular markup, we're still waiting on a possible buy. Okay, a big strong buy, meaning we're going to position ourselves for this move. It is still also in a ascending channel. We've been buying since 18 and as low as 1600. We have positions as low as 1600. Again, as we get a channel together, you will actually be able to see our trades. So we'll have transparency, and I mean ones we win, ones we take lessons on. You know, we're going to show you the truth, okay? But our goal is to at least become and continue consistently to be 80, 85, 90% profitable because we truly believe in our strategy. So if price continues to fall, this looks like it tried to break out of the channel, but it came back into the channel. Then we're looking for price to probably come down a little bit to around 2,300. And if it comes into the 2,300 area, we're going to look to buy. The only reason why we won't look to buy if it breaks and it retests below and then we maybe on a smaller time frame can get a short as it comes back down to probably around 18. And I would be looking for it to come to about 18 or 1600, okay, before we get the big turnaround. All right, we got halvening that has been moved further out into May now instead of April. The target is May, so we'll probably get another move to the downside, and then we'll probably get another move to the upside. So we'll be able to get some good buys, and possible shorts in our Telegram. So you want to make sure that you um, actually do that. Um, Description is below here. Get my referral link, and you'll be able to get some free Bitcoin, and you'll be able to get some bonuses as well when you sign up. So now let's also look at some forex news. Let's look at some forex news, and the market opened up here on Bloomberg. You can see we do trade Dow Jones. We call it US 30. We trade S&P. We do trade Nasdaq as well, and it was a pretty good day, even though it was a holiday here in the United States. And one thing we do with indexes is that we like to trade opening bell. Now that's a whole nother training, a whole nother session. We'll talk about that as we start to evolve and as we get things together. I got my mic coming as we started to trade live Wednesday and Thursday live in the market, New York session. You guys want to watch that. We educate, but if there is a trade and between 8:45 and 10 o'clock, we take it live on social media. And that is powerful, powerful, powerful. You'll see a lot of people taking trades, so I'm excited about that. Okay, you can always get fundamentals from Bloomberg to see what's happening real time and with the markets. And then I also like to go to Forex Factory. It's another outlet that actually shows you when news is coming out, different particular currencies, countries, news are coming out anywhere from PPI, CPI, uh, job. We call it JOLTS, the jobs. How many jobs are out or coming out, that forecasting new jobs or unemployment, and all of that moves the market. It doesn't predict the market in direction, but it does move the market one way or another, and it's a way to trade the news. And some people don't like to trade during the news, and that's great, because if you don't know why you're buying and selling, you shouldn't be buying and selling. So we do trade the news, and we look and to see what is happening before we get into the market. And we like to trade it at 8:30 in the morning, and then we wait for our market move. We wait for the market to move, and we're like a flea on a big dog's back. When the institutions move, we move, and you'll learn all about that here on our page. So let's look at some of the trades that we actually did get in our wealth building telegram here with Investopia Worldwide. We did get in Euro USD. That's right. We got in Euro USD, and it looks like that we're up. Okay, we had two positions. Either we got in here or we got in a lower position. Price came down, and price closed back above our entry, and this was our entry level right here. Okay, we got in, we called this trade this morning, and our team came in. We got this trade. It is a potential close to 50 pips, 50 pip trade. Right now, I would say we're up somewhere around 10. It's got as high as between 10, all the way up to about 20 pips almost before we got that little pushback down, and it's been consolidating. So we'll see what happens now that the market, the brokers are back open. Okay, and we can see what's going to take place here. I would actually look on the 30-minute or the 15-minute, because could be a possible entry again. Price could come back down and give us a confirmation that price will continue to go up. Now, during the since we are trading Euro USD, we can go to Forex Factory and we can look at Tuesday morning during the London session, and we can see over there in Europe if there is any news. We got news at 5 a.m. and we got news, two Euro news. Great Britain news moves Euro as well, and we can, if we're in that trade, we just make sure our stop loss is in profit where we can secure our profits just in case the news goes against us. But it's always good to know before you actually get into the trade. So we are in Euro USD right now. We are in profit. The market is moving slow. It's just the beginning of the year. And we'll wait and see what that does for us as well. And then there is another big trade that was called last week, USD JPY. For those who trade forex, all right, USD JPY. We call this on the daily, and I think it was Friday, we did take some profits here in this major resistance area right here. We got into this. Some of us got in higher, but this was the move right here, and we got about 120 pips. So we give you a little idea about what 120 pips, for those who may not know, 120 pips. Let's go to our pip value calculator. If you're still learning how to count pips, okay, then you can go to pip calculator. That's right. So right now we're looking at the USD currency, and we're trading USD JPY. So USD going against Japanese yen, and we find that USD JPY. There we go. And we said that was 100 and what? From this area here, it was about 160 pips. Let's just say 160 pips. So we put in 160 pip. If you invested $10 into the market and hold that trade, that was over $1,000, ladies and gentlemen. Again, past profits does not reflect future results, but to give you an idea of what we're doing in our wealth building telegram. Okay. If it now just say that standard was just a little bit too much, okay, and maybe you didn't have an account that can hold a standard. Maybe you went in for $5 in the market. At $5 a market, that was still a whopping over $500. If you went in $1 in the market, that's $109. If you went in at 50 cents in the market, that was $54. You get my drift? And so in one day, in less than what it takes for someone to work a job, 8 hours, we're showing people how to grow accounts using a compound percentage plan to help them profit in the markets just like the banks. And so USD JPY, we're still ready to continue to trade this particular move now. We're going to look for this move. We're going to look for another entry, because why am I selling? Well, it broke this bullish structure right here. As you can see my trend, it broke the structure, and now it created a low. Okay, so now it's creating a lower high. Now another word is a correction, or another word is a flag. So this is my flagpole, and this is my flag, and that this is a bearish flag. So after the bearish flag, we're looking for a continuation to the downside. So we're going to go to our smaller time frame and we're going to look for an entry. And once we get all of our confirmations in place, we're going to get into this trade. Signal will be dropped in our Telegram, and you want to make sure that you are in our Telegram to get that. Now, if you want to be educated, if you want to learn some of the basics, you may be intermediate, you might even be advanced. There's always gaps in the market where you can learn a little bit more. Get with me on that as well. Email me, let me know. Also, our educational academy is in the description below. Now, lastly, I am focusing on a couple of altcoins. I'm a Doji fan. Anybody a Doji fan? I'm a Doge. And from where I've been hearing from some of the real crypto gurus like Da Vinci David, I followed Da Vinci David, the Moon Show. I watched Carl on the Moon Show buy $100,000 worth of Doge just about 3 days ago. You will probably go find a video, and he did it live because there's some big things going to happen in the altcoin um, in the altcoin market. Uh, and it's time to start looking at some altcoins that's got some major projects. We're going to be talking about AI coins. We're going to be talking about gaming coins as well. But I really believe Doge is going to do really good. Okay, I really do believe Doge is going to do very well. We've been buying Doge very low, as you can see. We've been buying Doge very low after it came out of the bear market in 21, into 21, 22. You can see that we have been buying Doge very low on the exchanges. So right now, this is the time to buy. This is the time to buy because we believe after the halving, should be at, let's bring this number up a little bit higher. Okay. Um, After the halving, you're going to see the markets, some altcoins really explode. And I want to see Doge go to at least $1.75. Yeah, I would love to see it blow past some of these smaller highs that were created on the way down and get this to go way up. So let me give you a scenario. I mean, some advocates are saying $1. Some are saying $1.75. We're at $1.75. This is what your profits would be if you had about $200 investment in Doge. How do I know that? Well, right now you can see Doge is at about 8 cents. So if we go to our crypto profit calculator and we go search for Dogecoin, and right now is our buying price, and our selling price would be $1.75 with the $200 investment. $4,306, guys. So I want you to use this particular website because it helps you when you are projecting. If you have a goal to be somewhere in your portfolio, you can use this website, based off the amount of over your whole portfolio. This is just one coin. And we are in the time right now where you're going to see some major things happen. That's what the other one is. Shiba Inu. Okay, we have a lot of multi-millionaires in the crypto space talking about Shiba Inu. Okay, just give you a scenario. A lot of them are saying the first target is 4,000, meaning 4 zeros and a 4. So, let's look and see where some of our investments Well, we have been buying uh, SHIB, and you can see that we have been buying SHIB way, 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 way down at the bottom, 5 zeros. Okay, we 5 zeros and 7. We are holding. If you're holding any SHIB down here, great job. And you can see now that SHIB has broken out of this bearish triangle pattern here, and it's retesting on top of it. And we're looking for some confirmation now for SHIB to continue up. So one of what we're looking for is at least 4 zeros and a 4. 4 zeros and a 4. So if we can get SHIB, and it takes a lot to do this, okay? 4 0 and a 4. Uh, Burning it's just not going to do it. Burning coins is not just going to do it. You got to have more new uh, money coming into the market. The um, the market capitalization has got to be more. It's got to catch up. It's only 5.64 billion, but look at the amount of coins that they have. It's over 1.4 trillion. Okay, so that's a lot. A lot's got to happen for it to get to some wanted to get to a penny. Well, if it gets just to 4 zeros and a 4, $200 investment, and let's just say 4 zeros and a 4, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 7. It's about $982. Okay, now if you had a $500 investment, okay, you're looking over 2 grand. If you had $1,000 investment, you're looking over 49. Let's make you $1,000. You're looking at 4,900. Okay, so it's going to take about, I would say, get to 100 million coins. Then you're going to really see some things move. And I'm thinking for every 50 million is about $500 right now with SHIB. So with $1,000 investment, give a couple of dollars, you'd have over 100 million in SHIB, and you can see yourself not even getting to, two decimals, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, and that's almost about 5,000. So between Doge and SHIB, you have a good opportunity to profit and take your profits at the top. Make sure you take your profits. So super excited for all of you guys. Make sure you go to our YouTube page. That's right, our YouTube page right here. Go to our YouTube page. Subscribe, like the page. Yes, we're excited. How about you? Till next time. We're out.